When you're looking to purchase a home, the first question you may ask is, how do I pay for it? The simple answer, mortgage. But just what type of mortgage is right for you? I'm here with Cindy Peters-Tanner from ValleyMLS.com to talk about the different types of mortgages out there.
Hi,
Cindy,
Catherine.
it's great to have you here.
Thanks so much.
Cindy, what is a mortgage, first of all?
Well, let's put it this way, Catherine. You want to buy a house.
Yes.
$175,000 is what you think you want to buy. You loved it. You saw it online.
Yeah,
you
I don't
went to
have
ValleyMLS. You don't have it. You need the money. So you need a mortgage. Now, there's all different kinds of products out there, and I'm not a lender. I'm a realtor, but I deal with these every day. So I thought I would just break down a few of them so you could have an idea of what might work for you, but you need to call a lender. We have tons of mortgage companies out there in this area that'd be more than happy to sit down and tell you what would work for you with your income, with your debts, with your situation.
If you don't know a lender, how can I find somebody that I'm confident with, that I know is trustworthy? Is that something a realtor can point me to?
Absolutely. We deal with them every single day. It's a partnership. We want to get you over that threshold and into your new home so we can help guide you towards a reputable mortgage company.
So what's out there?
Okay. The first myth that everybody says is, oh, I have to have 20% in order to buy this house. 20% of the purchase price is a lot of cash to come up with. That is our traditional conventional loan. It is 80% 20% down, and an 80% of the loan value is your mortgage. But not everybody has it. So then you go to a different loan product. Maybe you only want to put 10% down. Maybe you only have 5% down. So there's all different ones. An FHA loan has the lowest down payment right now with 3.5%. And that gets you a little closer to your goal. And there's different rules and guidelines for each loan, and that's where a lender can help. There's the VA. If you are a service person or have served active duty, you qualify for 100% financing loan.
Oh, wow.
That can make it really, really great for you to buy your next home. That's a great benefit. The other thing is there's a USDA loan for rural areas that might have 100% financing or a 3.5% down payment.
Are there areas in North Alabama that practice the USDA?
All over the areas. We have properties all the time. Your realtor and your lender can pull up a specific home you might like and tell you if it qualifies for a USDA loan. Another one of the types is a jumbo. Some people hear this term and they go, what is a jumbo loan? Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, who are the two government backers for loans, have set conforming loan limits. I know that doesn't mean much to most people, but for us in real estate world and lenders, it means a lot. And those numbers, I believe, are at 453,000. That's a conforming loan limit. But let's say the house you want to buy is $750,000. You need a different loan to go over the 453. So now we're talking about a jumbo loan. And that's where it comes from.
Are there loans for first-time home buyers like myself?
Absolutely. You can do any of the loans as a first-time home buyer. We're not necessarily seeing that wording tagged along with the loan itself, but a USDA loan, which has typically no down payment or very low, an FHA loan, if you're, let's say you're enlisted, a VA loan, or even a conventional loan. Remember, a conventional loan may have as low as 5 or 10% down, and you just have PMI on a monthly basis, and you still get the loan you want.
And what should a buyer do to see what they qualify for? What should they pull first and bring to their lender?
First thing you do, call your lender, bring them your social security number. They might ask for a tax return. Talk to them about your debt and income limits. They need to know what you're spending on a monthly basis so that they can help guide you to get you the right loan. What if you qualified right now for a $500,000 loan? You'd be shocked.
Yeah.
But many people qualify for so much more than they realize. You just need to talk to a lender.
And one of the cool things that you showed me on ValleyMLS.com is that you can actually get a guesstimate of your down payment and your monthly payments. So does your mortgage affect, depending on what type of mortgage you get, does that affect your monthly payments?
It does. So if you have something called PMI, which is private mortgage insurance, it just means in the traditional world, you haven't got 20% equity into the home. You're just building up to that. Maybe you only put 3.5% down, or you put 10% down. That's all it is. So that's where it can affect your monthly payment. But if that rolls off, then your payment would go down.
Cindy, you've shared a lot with me, but if I want to learn more about getting a mortgage, what can I do and where can I go?
On our webpage, ValleyMLS.com, there's a spot called Mortgage Center, front and center, right there next to the listings. Go there first. Then talk to your realtor or talk to your family members about a lender that they have used or that they would recommend, and just give them a call.
Cindy, thanks for sharing your expertise on mortgages. To learn more about mortgages, you can go to ValleyMLS.com and go to the Mortgage Center.